You know, I was fortunate enough to sign for City. I was at Huddersfield at the time. We were doing really well. I think we were top of the championship. I was captain in Huddersfield, but an opportunity came, you know, to come to City on loan, and you know, it couldn't have gone any better. I scored the winning goal on my debut, and within sort of a couple of weeks I'd signed, and within 6 weeks I was the captain. You know, so a fantastic period in my career.
I think it's fair to say, let's not beat around the bush, you're a bit of a cult hero here. I mean, what's that like?
I mean, listen, I feel very humble when I'm among the City fans, and you know, some of the comments I get about that period in the club's history where, you know, make no mistake, the club were struggling. You know, they were in what was the second division, and it's a place the club shouldn't have been. And for me, the club were always going to get back to the Premier League, but we managed to get there within back-to-back seasons. You know, so I always think it's a reward what we have now. You know, for the loyalty of the fans and what they went through in them tough times. And now it's an incredible place to be working and be part of.
You're still involved with the club even today. How much do you enjoy your role with the club?
Yeah, it's fantastic. You know, I'm lucky enough to go to the supporters branches, and then the match day stuff, you know, is again, I get a chance to mix with the fans and watch incredible football, you know, which is it's very enjoyable.
So on the pitch, Andy, and perhaps off it as well, would it be fair to say you had a bit of a reputation as a football hard man?
Well, I'm not sure what a hard man is. You know, I just played football the way I played it. I never tried to get labelled with that. But yeah, just the way I went about my football, and very similar probably in the way I manage. You know, it's full on. It's what I do. It's what I love doing, and I've been reasonably successful.
So sat here in the dugout now, you must feel right at home. How much are you enjoying your role at Connah's Quay?
I'm really enjoying it, yeah. I mean, I've been on now for 2.5 years. You know, we've had unprecedented success, you know, going from bottom of the league to the playoffs and getting into Europe, and then winning games in Europe, finishing second last year. You know, I had no doubt whatsoever that, you know, I could bring success to the club. So, you know, we're in a position again this year where we're pushing on, and we've got a chance of it again. So, yeah, I'm thoroughly enjoying it.
And of course, now we have this huge Welsh Cup semi-final to look forward to.
I said all along, you know, and I've said it since I came into the league, that if you're going to win the Welsh Cup, you're normally going to face TNS somewhere along the line. So, you know, we had them in the quarterfinals, and we've knocked them out, and now we've got an equally tough game in Bangor. But, you know, it's our third year now in the semi-final, and you know, and fingers crossed it's our year.
And listen, I happen to know that you're into your music as well. What has to happen for Andy Morrison to get his guitar out? Europe.
Or win the cup, and I'll sing a song without a shadow of doubt. If we win the cup, I'll probably do 2.
Listen, if that happens, it'll be live on Sgorio, OK?
It will be, yeah.